In this video, I will show you how to start backend development using your mobile. First, you have to download termux. It's a terminal emulator and Linux environment for Android. The termux on the Play Store has some bugs, so we will download termux from F-Droid. Check out description box for links, or you can just Google it. After clicking on the link, you can see F-Droid website, and now scroll and download the latest version and tap on download APK. After installing, first go to app info and allow storage permission. Now open the app, and the first command will be apt get upgrade and apt get update. To install Node JS, type pkg install Node JS. Okay, our Node JS is installing, and to show this file we need a code editor. So we will go to Play Store and download a code editor called acode. Go to Play Store and search for acode. Now install it. Now open. Now allow all the permission. Now tap on the bar and open a folder. Select a folder. Select. Use this folder, termux folder. And tap on use this folder and rename it with termux. Okay. When you first install this app, you will have three things: Node module, package.log.json, package.json. Now let's create a file. Name it hi.js. Okay. Now write something. console.log hi. Now save it. Now go to termux and write node hi.js. You can download other node modules as well, but before downloading any node module, make sure you are in home directory. So for that, type cd #home. Now install all the node modules. So now I want to install node 1. So write npm install node 1. You can also just write I for install. npm I node 1. Now let's check will be added to our dependency. That's see, here you can see our node one. You can download other NPM packages as well, like Express. Just to go to Google, search for NPM, then download your favorite package. So that's all you need to start your backend developer journey.